It's starting to feel damp. It is. That is proper rain. Okay. We're now officially in wet mode. So forward was my. Whew. All right. Okay. Oh, so this goes down. I'm supposed to come back up. Okay. So this is why I do my maps this way. Point to point to point. There we go. So this is just a down and back sort of thing, just to see what is down this road. So I'm keeping my RPMs really low. I'm not trying to lug the engine, but I'm also trying to kick those kicks to a very light minimum anytime it's dirt. With gravel, I don't mind so much. I know how that's going to behave. This is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I realize I'm probably smacking the camera. I'm trying to ride on the right just in case somebody comes blasting down through here and I just don't know. So I've had that happen. Not on this road, obviously, because I've never been on it, but in other roads. Just trying to be careful. Oh, wow. Okay, easy through here. Looks very damp. There we go. And then this all branches out down here, so I don't know how much more of this I'm going to be able to get down and through. This looks soft. Okay, I'm going to come over to this side. There we go. Well, we will see, or I'll turn around. This has been a nice little jaunt through the woods. All right, so turnaround spot. There's one path, there's another path. Neither of those look like motorcycle routes. Not on this side of the bike, at least. Yeah. Looks like fun walking trails, though. I think there's probably like waterfalls and stuff out this way. Okay. Now I know what's up. A little less cautious. Getting out of here should be a bit easier. My wife and I have been toying around with the idea of getting her a little CRF. They have an LS version, a low seat version. She's not super tall, so like, you know, these adventure bikes, they're pretty tall. So it makes her a little uncomfortable. But that CRF LS has a slightly lower seat, so it should be more comfortable for her. We were talking about getting her to come out and join me on some of these rides. And depending on the fitment, I may use that bike, even though it's going to be an LS. And I'm a large person. I may use that bike to go on little side trails if I find that I start getting into stuff that's too small for this guy, which I see that happening. The majority of my riding is going to be on this, but if there's a point where I'm just feeling particularly adventurous, then it'd be cool to have that other option. And plus, you know, it'd be cool to have her ride with me also. Because, I mean, I'm sure she'd love this. This is great. All right, so we're going to continue on here. Nice little side road there. Starting to feel a little bit more confident. Looks like we got a climb ahead of us. Don't mind that so much. Ooh. I may have to turn traction control off because it feels like that might give me trouble here in a minute. Oh, look at those clouds. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh. If I get up here and there's like some sort of really pretty view, I'm just, oh, it is already a really pretty view. So we don't meet anybody coming around these turns with this brush. I should be staying on the inside, but I'm standing to the outside so I can see. So I don't know what sort of drop off this edge is. It looks like it's just yeah, so I'm gonna stay away from that edge just for the sake of I'm not gonna die buffer. But it looks like that might not be an option. So let's get out of there. And almost drop it. Just what I was trying not to do. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Okay. I want to look, but I also want to keep my eyes forward. So let's do the thing that will keep me alive. Okay, so we're taking a right. Okay. Maybe? No. All right, so interesting. There's a whole thing up there that goes up through there. So that's out unless I can get to it from this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip all that. I'm going to take this bottom route. I was supposed to be coming back up the other way, but I'm going to continue far as I can. And it may spit me out back down to where I need to be anyway, that little section, but there's also like a gate. So, I mean, I'm assuming it'll be open on both sides, or I can at least get past it, but yeah, I didn't expect to be able to do the entire loop today. I expected to, find some resistance in some areas, such as this. And that's a little bumpy, so I was just kind of taking my time. And it's starting to sprinkle too. So if it starts getting really damp outside, I am going to turn around and immediately haul ass back so don't get stuck. Because that little climb, the descent I just took there, it's going to be a little difficult to get up if it's just mud. It is possible I get soaked today. And if that's the case, oh well. I knew there's a chance for rain today. All right, so it's starting to get a little heavier on the weather. And if I'm not mistaken, that looks like water over there. It's starting to feel damp. That is proper rain. Okay. We're now officially in wet mode. This looks like... I'm just going to have to turn around. There's a U-turn up here. I'm going to turn around there. So I don't want my camera gear and stuff to get super soaked. No, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and turn around here. I'm also going to put away my 360 camera because it is not waterproof like that. It's all right. Like I said, I expected to get wet. And it feels good. It's been hot today, so let's go ahead and turn this off. This is on, okay? You know what? I'm already soaked to the bone. Got cords and shit hanging out, but I can just pull those back and not have these flopping around. It might be okay. I'm already out. I'm already enjoying it. I'm not going to turn around. I'm just going to go. And I'll get you guys dialogue when I can. So enjoy this. Yeah.